Welcome to AI Tech Book. Let's explore the new tech world. While the world watched the chatbot wars, OpenAI, Anthropic, headlines every week, another lab quietly rewrote the rules of science itself. In 2026, the most important AI story isn't who can answer your questions. It's who's building the new instruments of discovery. This is the story DeepMind didn't tell loudly enough. DeepMind never wanted to win the chatbot race. While its competitors fought for consumer eyeballs, DeepMind embedded into the engines of human knowledge: biology, chemistry, mathematics, physics. AlphaFold cracked protein folding and won the 2024 Nobel Prize in Chemistry. But that was the warm-up. By 2026, DeepMind isn't building products. It's building the operating system of scientific discovery. In November 2025, the US Department of Energy launched the Genesis mission, a national effort to make AI the engine of American science. DeepMind didn't just join. They became the scientific backbone. All 17 DOE national laboratories get accelerated access to DeepMind's AI co-scientist, a Gemini-based multi-agent system that compresses hypothesis development from years into days. Fusion energy, new materials, earth science. 24 organizations signed on by December 2025. The infrastructure of American science now runs through Mountain View. Then came AlphaEvolve, a coding agent built on Gemini that doesn't just solve problems, it invents algorithms. Applied to 50 open problems in mathematical analysis, geometry, and number theory, it matched the state-of-the-art in 75% of cases and improved on it in 20%. It found a new algorithm for 4x4 complex matrix multiplication using just 48 scalar operations, beating Strassen's 1969 result that mathematicians thought was optimal. It improved 5 classical Ramsey number bounds, some of which had stood for over a decade. And it's already running Google's own data centers, designing its own chips, training its own successors. In January 2026, DeepMind published AlphaGenome in Nature. It takes 1 million base pairs of DNA and predicts what every position does: gene expression, chromatin structure, splice sites, transcription factor binding. On 22 of 24 benchmark tests, it beat the best models in the world. AlphaGenome can read the 98% of human DNA that doesn't code for proteins, the so-called dark matter of the genome. Rare diseases that have eluded diagnosis for decades are suddenly tractable. The weights are open. 3 million scientists, 190 countries already on board. The model behind it all is Gemini 3.1 Pro, released February 2026, with global rollout completed in April. Long horizon agentic workflows, native multimodal code. Deep Research Max, released April 21st, can run autonomous research agents across the entire web, with native data visualizations and MCP-compatible tool use. This isn't a model that answers questions, it's a researcher that does the work. And in April 2026, Gemma 4, DeepMind's open model family, landed with full agentic capabilities running on consumer hardware. Multi-step planning, offline code generation, audio-visual processing. The same intelligence that runs in the cloud now runs in your laptop. The empire isn't centralized, it's everywhere. For a decade, DeepMind has played a longer game than anyone else in AI. Not the chatbot war, not the consumer race, the infrastructure of discovery itself. By 2026, that strategy is paying off in a way no headline captures. While the world argues over who has the smartest assistant, DeepMind is quietly running fusion experiments, mapping the human genome, and proving theorems no human ever solved. The quiet empire. The loudest results. Thank you for watching. If this changed how you see things, share it with one person. Subscribe to AI Tech Book for the next breakthrough.